Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pre-sliced banana. Just like this. And to make it, we're going to use a needle or a pin. Start by taking a banana and choose one of these lines to work on. Then take your needle and poke a hole all the way into the fruit, but don't come out to the other side. Then move it back and forth, left and right, like this. This is actually slicing the fruit underneath the skin. When you're done, move the needle down a little and do exactly the same again. Work your way down the whole banana and you should have something which looks like this. You can actually just see the holes, so when you show it to someone, turn it around to the back and hide them. Then go ahead and peel it. If they haven't seen this trick before, they'll be impressed by your amazing pre-sliced banana. Pretty cool, huh? It's a really simple little trick and it's great for amusing children. I hope you've enjoyed watching this